In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete and disable search suggestions for Google Chrome browser vertical bar, clear Chrome search history. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu icon. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, look for the section called You and Google. On some versions of Chrome, especially depending on your device, you may instead see Privacy and Security. Either option is fine. You are just looking for the area that contains Google-related browsing and search features. Next, click on Sync and Google Services. If you are using a mobile version of Chrome, this may simply be labeled Google Services. Now scroll down through the available settings until you find the toggles labeled Autocomplete Searches and URLs and Improve Search Suggestions. Turn both of these toggles off. Once they are disabled, Chrome will stop using those particular features to generate extra search suggestions as you type in the browser. If you are trying to clear older search entries as well, keep in mind that turning these settings off prevents future suggestions from appearing, but previously stored browsing data may still exist in Chrome history. So if needed, you can also clear your browsing history separately inside Chrome settings for a more complete cleanup. That covers everything you need to know.